Hi folks, I'm not normally this excited, but I have in my possession a kit we thought was lost but now found. First released back in 1971, then released in 1975, and has now been re-released now in 2023. It is, of course, the Airfix Vintage Classic Bond Bug, and I'm going to unbox and review what we get inside the box. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you will know that I've been dead excited about this Bond Bug when Dale announced that they were going to be re-releasing the Bond Bug.
One of the most requested vintage classic kits, the 1/32 scale Bond Bug. The vintage classic kit was last seen in the range in 1975 after being introduced in 1971. The tooling was considered missing for a number of years, but yet here it is.
I've been nursing a semi since that announcement, so now I've finally got it on my bench. Now there's been times that I've been tempted to buy that £300 one on eBay because I've always wanted to build a Bond Bug, and I missed it the first time round and the second time round. But after a hiatus of nearly 50 years, we now have it back on our workbenches. So I'm going to unbox it and have a quick review on what we get inside the box. So first off, as it's been released into the Vintage Classic range, it still has the Roy Cross box art, and you see there's a little James May lookalike inside there. It's a lovely, lovely view. That painting is absolutely fantastic. Great box art. Side of the box, we have some information there about the Bond Bug. It's a skill level 1, comes with 1 flying hour, and you're going to need 6 paints, 1 for the figure as well, and they're not included, so you need to find the paints for this. Edge of the box, you've got the box art. Edge of this side of the box, you've got the box art, and there you have all the warnings and lingo in different languages. Cartograph decals on this one, and you can see there, that's the code for it, A02413V. That's the code for it, and I'll link in the description below and in the comments to the website where you can get this kit from Airfix. But before we unbox this, can I ask a favour? 80% of the people who watch my videos on my channel are not subscribers, so if you like what you're seeing and you want to help the channel, would you please subscribe and click the bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. And if you do subscribe, thank you, it really does help the channel. So it's time to open up the box. Oh, exciting, exciting. So top opening box, you get 1 kit. You have the instructions and you have the decals. Let's have a look at the decals there. Lovely crisp decals. You've got 2 registrations there if you want, Bug 700 or EEV 589. You've even got the stripe that goes around the edge of the side of the roof, all in one, and you've got some there for the windows. Now, according to Dale, they had to retool the glass because it was forgotten or lost, we should say. But yeah, so anyway, let's have a look at the instructions. There we go. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, so it looks like you're putting this frame together and you're doing the back axle there. So put some suspension in, then onto the front. You quickly go into the engine. It looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces to the engine, and then fits into the back end there. And then you start putting, there's some sort of radiator in the front. Then you start putting the body together, then you add in all the pieces. So you add in the handbrake, the gear stick, bit of the dash, some pedals, and that all goes there. Now that all sits together inside. I presume that's in the body of the car. Moving down through, it looks like you're pushing them together. Then you put this edge on around the outside. It looks like a tub, whips like a tub. Put the glass on. Everything all goes down together. Showing you where to paint. Some front lights in, and then you put the front wheel on and the 2 rears at the back. Quite a nice simple build. So let's have a good look at what you get inside the bag of sprues and parts. So, you've got this here, which is the tub which you can see that the detail on it is looking fantastic. You know, remember, it's only ever been released twice, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. Attached to this, which is falling off, is the roof section. Look at that, you know, one wiper there, you know. For 1971, what do you expect? You know, it says here it's got 1975. Well, I think that's the last time it was used in a tooling, but it originally was 1971. So in theory, that should fit on there. And you know what? That's not looking half bad. Oops, hang on, just click it in. There you go. That's not looking half bad, is it? Fair play, fair play. Yeah, I'm so excited about building this. I really am. Look at that, really nice. So anyway, now this is like the bottom. So I presume this then fits on here like so. You know, and they've also got this here where it says, there's like a tag here, and basically it says remove after assembly. So once you've assembled it, you then remove this tab. So I suppose it stops it from spreading out, which is cool. There's part of the frame with the chassis there, 2 bits of the engine. Not a lot of detail, but you can scratch build some parts of the engine if you like. So there's that sprue. This sprue did have the gentleman on there, the James May lookalike. So he's armless at the moment, and there's his arms there. So, you know, it's all looking good. I'm pretty impressed. There's the radiator there, which has a bit of a, oh, maybe you hide that, we'll do it the other way around. Looked like it had an issue there, we have to fill that in, but you don't, because you just use the other side, can't you? Either way, that's good. Yeah, nice exhaust there. Like, hardly any flash on this. You're gonna love building this, I'm sure. And then onto the small bits now. So a lot of the suspension there. You've got some coils. Looks like a battery pack. Or sorry, fuel tank. Sorry, not battery pack. There's the fan there. So you need to carefully remove those tabs. You've got tabs there inside the steering wheel as well. You've got to be careful of. There's like, is that brake discs there or some hubs? So there's the wheels there. So, you know, the whoops. And there's the tyres, so I presume that slots in there. Perfect. Really happy. Now the bit they had to re-engineer, which is why I think they haven't released it in so long, is they had to re-engineer the glass. And they've done a really good job with the glass, because, as you know, I presume it's like canvas doors on here. So the plastic so the windows won't be glass, it will actually be plastic. And they've actually re-engineered it, so it looks like it's got some creases in the plastic. Really cool, that, really cool. Then you've got the light lens there, but brand new windshield there. Look at this, this has all been re-engineered and retooled, so it looks better and will act better for you. So yeah, so there's all the pieces that come with the kit. So there you go. Remember, this kit's only been released 3 times, back in 1971, 1975, and now. So over 50-year-old kit that's only ever seen the light of day 3 times, and wow, how exciting it is to get this on my bench. I'm going to be cracking on and building it this week. And if you want to buy your own Bond Bug, you can. I will leave a link in the description box and in the comments where you can buy this Bond Bug. Fantastic, from the Airfix website. Anyways, that's it. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. A huge shout out to my channel members who financially help me with the channel. If you'd like to become a channel member and receive some extra perks, click join and select which membership tier you wish. If you've not seen my latest video, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of all my other videos, click here. Yeah, again, they're all skill level 3 flying hours. So I'm getting 15 flying hours from this one already. 2 schemes in this one. This one's a really nice tank. I've seen it built by a few people. It's a really, really nice tank. Quite impressed with this, actually. So, you know, what more to say? £51.99 for this one. So I've got 5 kits. So I think it's time we should do the math.